Hi friends, if you want to create a stunning and professional website for your business, this video is for you. In this video, I am going to show you a multi-purpose WordPress theme, and we are going to create a website like this, any of this, and you can see the stunning look. Yes, all websites are wonderful. Similarly, we have 95 ready to import website, and you can all have this in a single theme called Xtra. So Xtra is a multi-purpose WordPress theme, and it is with RTL. And in this video we are going to create a demo website like any of these, and you can select out of 95 any website you can create after watching this video. So this is going to be a very important video for you if you are really looking for a wonderful WordPress theme and wonderful website that is going to support your business. And best thing is that this theme gives you options to select Elementor or WP Bakery page builder. So all these websites are available either in Elementor or WP Bakery. This is also a great choice. So Xtra is a multi-purpose theme, and it has been developed by CodeVS, and they are elite author. The theme came into existence actually in 2018, and regular updates for this theme is also being done. So this theme is well compatible with latest version of WooCommerce and the software version, that is the WordPress latest version, and it is well documented, responsive, and all such things that you need for a professional website. And it is fully customizable with both popular page builders, as I said, WP Bakery and Elementor. And it is Xtra Wizard is here, so it is going to give you an easy access for set up the theme, and you can import any of these demo website in a single click. So we are going to do this to overview the complete feature of this theme, and we will also see the theme options and basic customization option in this video only. So watch this video until end, and if you are coming to this channel very first time, you may please subscribe this channel. I'm going to bring wonderful WordPress themes, plugins, and utilities for you, so keep watching and don't miss any video. So let us begin the installation. I'm having a fresh installation of WordPress with me, and I'm assuming that you have a fresh installation with you as well with your hosting plan. If not, you may please follow the link given in the description of this video. You can get theme there, you can have hosting plan and pre-installed website, all is there. So just follow the link given in the description. And now let us begin to install the theme. First, I have the theme pack, and I will go to the theme section of WordPress for this and click on add new upload theme, choose file, and here is the theme file I have, and xtra.zip is with me in the theme file, theme pack, and I'm simply opening it and clicking on install now. And this may take a bit time because it is uploading the theme actually, and it all depends on your server capacity as well. So if you are willing to have a suitable hosting plan, you can consider taking a hosting plan with a pre-installed theme with demo website and all a set of ready-made website. Just follow the link, and we will be here to support you in all the way. So let us wait until the theme is being uploaded, and it may take another few seconds. Okay, now it is saying the theme installed successfully. Let us go to the theme page first before we activate this theme, and click on the go to the theme page. Now we have Xtra as another theme option along with the default theme. Let us check the details. This is Xtra version 4.4.4, fast, lightweight, and powerful multi-purpose WordPress theme for any kind of website such as business, commerce, service, niche, portfolio, blog, etc. Let us activate this theme now, and let us see where. Okay, so this is being the mm, 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 welcome page, and we are here, and now we can use this setup wizard for installing the next level. And this is activation page, and now we can go to the demo importer, and yes, here are the choices through which we can import any of website out of 95 as we seen in the beginning of this video. And we have all the choices, so you can simply get ready with your ready-made website. Just put the content, and so you have to choose any of this layout wisely. And okay, so I am simply choosing the very first one, whatever it may be. Okay, so this is factory version 2. Okay, so all exclusive is 84. Let us see what is here. In fact, 84 is here. Starters all 95. And what should I choose? So what shop is here? Bookshop, flower shop, architect, agency, photographer, investment, construction. I'm choosing the very first one. It is factory 2. Okay, so I'm importing this. Simply install plugins, theme options. What is this? So I'm simply clicking on import. Let us see what happens. And it is saying getting started. This is the step 1, and here we can choose the next actions. So getting started is 1. We can go to the next step. Here we can choose the Elementor or WP Bakery. So I'm choosing the Elementor. And if you need to have the RTL version, you can check this box, but I am not selecting this, and I'm simply choosing the Elementor. Go to the next step, and it is full import, theme option, widgets, page and post, images and media, WooCommerce, Revolution slider, and you can also have custom import. But since being it a new website, I am choosing the full import, and I'm going to the next step. And now the plugins are being installed and activated, and it may take a bit time, and the progress bar will tell you what is going on and what is the percentage of completion. So you have to wait on this screen until it reaches to 100%. And this option that I have chosen is using Elementor page builder, Revolution slider, contact form 7, WooCommerce, demo files, theme options, and it is as of now it is very easy to install. Nothing technical in this, and no tricks or technique required in installing this theme. This is the beauty of the theme. This is why it has been selected to be on this channel. As you know, WP themes bring all the selected and well tested WordPress themes for you and for your website, so that you may have wonderful websites for your business, and you may get optimum from your website. And so now images are being imported, and there are 55 images. I'm sure it is going to take time, but don't refresh the page, don't hit the back button. It is required process, and it is necessary process. So just be patient at this screen and wait until all this goes to 100%. And now images import is about to complete, and yes, it is now 55, and Revolution slider is being imported. And yes, congratulations, your website has been imported successfully. View your website. So was it so simple? Let us check. And yes, it seems to be here. Really wonderful. So we have complete website, and it was very simple and easy way to install the theme, and we got a complete website here. It is unavailable for me, so I did not click more multiple buttons, and I have this complete website, and all pages are also here. So it is wonderful, and it is a complete website. So I can recommend this theme without any doubt for as a best multi-purpose WordPress theme for you. And yes, it is really working fine, and you can see the speed. Speed is actually very good. And now I'm going to show you what other options are available. Page importer is here. So we have already imported the complete website. So demo page you want to import may have a second color. To avoid the color problem, set the second. Okay, so insert the demo link. Insert a demo link here, click import button, wait for it. Okay, so I don't know what is this, but it is not required. In fact, we have already imported the complete website. Install plugin option is here, so we can install additional plugins here. So image optimizer is here, and so I'm going to make another video on this image optimizer. I have seen it is being used at multiple websites, and I'll show you how it works. Actually, in the next video I'm coming with this plugin, how you can optimize the image. In fact, so image is always an integral part of website, and optimizing image is really necessary to get the optimum speed of your website. So okay, so this is available. You can install any of these available plugin. Theme options are here. I'll show you what we got in the theme options actually. So this is being the control panel or customized panel, you can say, for the Xtra WordPress theme, and this is a broad setting here. So I'll show you just an overview what you can do with this setting, and I'm not going in depth. So this is general setting. In the general setting you can set the layout, color and styling. You can change the complete color of website, ascent color, secondary color. So this is great that you have control over colors. Layout you can select, so sidebar, side width and RTL mode and also things, and share icons. So you can give this SEO option, title tag h1, h2, loading, preloader. You can enable or disable custom codes, white label, cookie notice and advanced setting. So it is very simple, and you can have these settings at your website and you can use this setting. It is really very helpful, and the interface is very simple and easy to use. Typography you can set. You can change the complete set of fonts and header options. Here you can change the logo, like logo 1, 2 and tooltip, and logo styling can be changed from here. Custom header you can use. Header top bar, so there are multiple settings for header top bar, like delimiters and indicator, inner indicator. So there are multiple things. You can explore all these things if you are really going to customize further your website. And okay, so header bottom bar, sticky header, mobile header. Okay, it is great. And mobile fixed navigation, fixed site, title and breadcrumbs and more. So these are the great settings available in the header, and similarly there are multiple settings for footer as well, and blog settings are here. WooCommerce Pro, so product styling, product settings, site identity, menus you can set here, widgets, homepage settings and rest of the settings as in WordPress. So these are the best controls available for this theme, and I believe these controls are really going to help in customizing your website. And theme option we have already seen. System status is for checking the system status, and I must tell you, it all should be green always if you are going to import or set up your website. In fact, you should visit this tab, system status, first of all before importing the demo. So it all should be green. If it is somehow not green, don't proceed for installing the theme, because it is not going to work actually. And if you are having any trouble in the making it green, you can contact me directly by following the link, and you can also have a better hosting plan by following the link. So I will definitely help you in regarding this in installing the theme. You can ask any question in the comment section of this video as well. So uninstall option is also here, just in case if you want to uninstall, you can uninstall this particular layout and re-import the layout and the selected options. So this is also a great thing. Feedback, you have documentation, video tutorials, and also things are here. So this is being a wonderful WordPress theme, and you can say it is going to be a best WordPress theme, multi-purpose uses for business uses, and all features are available here. And now I am finally going to show you how you can edit the page contents. So I'm sure you are very much familiar with the Elementor, and you can simply open the page that you want to edit and click on edit with Elementor. So editing with Elementor is always been simple as working on the Word file, but yes, if you are new to the Elementor, you may take a backup of page that you are going to edit using any duplicator plugin before you start, and simply click on the area. This is being the style revolution area, so this can be edited in the revolution section, and rest of things simply click on the area that you want to edit and you will be able to edit the contents. It is so simple, no technical knowledge is required in this regard. So just keep in mind, you have to use same dimension image that has been used in the demo site, so that integrity and layout of your design remain intact. So it is wonderful, and it is very simple to create a website using the Xtra WordPress theme. And as I told you, there are pre-made 95 websites. I am sure one of these websites is going to match your business requirement, and you are going to select any of these out of 95 pre-made websites. So all section has been already covered. So you can create any website like barber, business, SEO, gym, fashion shop, music and band, coffee shop, financial consultation, and logo, portfolio, CV and resume, Dubai investment, spa, massage, camping, adventure, and much more. So I'm going to add this link in the description of this video. So I will add a simple one link, and you can get each and everything through that particular link. So I believe this video remained helpful for you, and you can decide about this theme. And this is our website that we made in this video, and it is really a smooth installation, and you can also go through this. So it is very simple and it is effective one, and you can create a professional website using Xtra WordPress theme. So just start building your website. Keep visiting this channel. I'm going to bring wonderful WordPress theme, plugin and utilities for you. Thanks for watching.